Get ready for an exciting update that's going to revolutionize your drone flying experience. DJI's Fly app has just unleashed a whole new world of possibilities, especially for the Neo 2 drone enthusiasts. With the latest version 1.19.0, DJI has not only ensured seamless compatibility with the Neo 2, but has also packed it with an array of intelligent flight features that will make your drone adventures more enjoyable and creative. This update is a game-changer, especially for those who own the DJI Neo 2. It connects effortlessly with various controllers, including the RC-N2, RC-N3, and RC2, and even allows you to fly directly from your phone via Wi-Fi, eliminating the need for a remote. But wait, there's more. The update introduces a range of smart features tailored specifically for the Neo 2. Imagine capturing stunning selfies from multiple angles with just a tap using the SelfieShot feature. Or control your drone with gestures. A simple palm extension can recall the drone or adjust its position mid-flight. For the creative souls, there are customizable mode sets like MasterShots and Cycling Follow, offering dynamic footage options. And here's where it gets controversial. DJI's freer active track feature allows you to switch tracking directions on the fly, giving you ultimate control over your framing. This flexibility might just spark some debates among drone enthusiasts. DJI has also improved voice recognition, indicating their commitment to making drones more responsive to natural commands. It's like having your very own personal drone assistant. The DJI Neo 2, unveiled in China this week, builds upon the success of the original Neo. It's an impressive mini drone that weighs only 151 grams yet packs a punch with its capabilities. With omnidirectional obstacle sensing and a forward-facing LiDAR sensor, it can detect walls, trees, and poles from all directions, ensuring a safe flight. When it comes to camera performance, the Neo 2 shines brightly. Its upgraded 12MP half-inch CMOS sensor captures crisp 4K per 60 frames per second videos, with an option for slow-motion 4K per 100 frames per second and vertical 2.7K videos perfect for social media reels. A dual-axis gimbal ensures stability, and with 49 gigabytes of internal storage and lightning-fast Wi-Fi transfer speeds, exporting your clips is a breeze. The Neo 2's smart selfie and riding follow modes turn it into a flying photographer, tracking runners and cyclists up to 27 miles per hour while keeping the subject in frame. Even beginners can capture cinematic shots effortlessly with features like palm takeoff and gesture control. And the icing on the cake? Its lightweight design means recreational users won't need to register it with the FAA. However, US customers might have to wait a little longer. While the Neo 2 has passed FCC certification, DJI's ongoing trade and regulatory challenges could delay its US launch. But with this Fly app update ready for the Neo 2, it seems DJI is preparing for takeoff whenever the skies allow. So, what do you think about these exciting updates? Do you think the new features will enhance the drone flying experience? Share your thoughts and opinions in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you and spark some friendly discussions.